It's time for mic check.
Okay, we practiced it, okay? Everybody was Kung Fu Fighting.
They clap for us. They clap for us. For you. They all clap for Ola.
Really? Really?
Yes.
I didn't notice that
It's
shit.
his fans.
Moonlight. BV off Azir ult. Azir ult
Look
is
at
the only one.
if he ults.
I will look out for that.
Alright.
Heal.
Stop. Okay, go. Good job, guys. Good job.
Well
Now
played.
go top.
Oh, I go first.
I still.
Cannon. Help me, Z.
Kill set.
Nice.
Nice, cannon.
Rek'Sai.
Nice.
Yeah. Go barn. Go barn.
Don't chase.
I know.
Guys. I steal
Really
the
nice
Smite
job.
King.
Really nice smite.
I steal the Smite King, guys.
Please, God of Smite, please.
You have no smite?
No, I have two.
Okay.
I have two still of Smite.
It's okay.
It's okay, we trust you, Raj. We trust you.
We trust you.
Okay, this time, please. Take him.
Nice. Shoot in 2 seconds. Go Pinoy!
Go mid!
Pinoy, life steal.
Boy, what are you saying when you picked up your shoes?
These shoes are so comfortable.
Damn it, Sushi. You gotta try them.
No, just end it. I'm real tanky.
40 seconds.
40 seconds. Bottom one.
Watch out. Don't die. Don't take too much.
Jarvan.
End the game.
End the game.
Turn. 20 seconds.
20 seconds.
End the
20
game.
seconds.
End the game.
Yeah, baby!
Oh my god.
Yeah!
So we may not be as loud in North America in the mic checks, but we throw our shoes around and we're loud after the games.
Yeah, I also love at the end of that teammate game, it's just like, be careful, don't take the Nexus turret, as Calitrol was just running into the Nexus turret well before minions of the team were ready for it.
And then Porpoise, they were taking turns, ring around the rosy.
stuff.
But now